Welcome to Unit 5. I like tennis, dancing, coffee, and chocolate. What do you like? In this unit, you will learn about sports, food and drinks, and how to talk about things you like or don't like. You can watch an interesting video about an international food market in London. You will also learn how to ask and answer questions about you.
Do you live in London?
No, I don't. I live in Oxford.
Do you like German cars or American cars? French wine or Italian wine? In this unit, we will look at languages and nationalities. Everyday English focuses on prices and the numbers 30 to 100. Mr. Class, go online to learn and practice. Have fun. See you soon.